Mama told me to never believe those lies, keep my head up and always have pride. Infest the television screen from the MTV to the BETs, showing us fake materialistic things. Beauty before intellect, that would never be me. Tolerate our mirrors? They tell us nothing about ourselves? Well, I'm educated and black and fresh to a T. You would never shatter the inner